Hello YouTube. So there's been two awesome developments that have happened. One is my drill truck broke. Drill chuck. Sound like I said truck. It's a drill chuck. My drill chuck broke. Well, it didn't broke. It didn't break. It stripped. As you can see, it is badly stripped around there. Could never get it tight enough to grab anything. The holes are wallered out, if you've ever heard that word. It's a hillbilly thing. But yeah, it's shot. Okay, so I replaced that. Took about 3 seconds. Got a new one off of Fleabay. Works good. It's on there real nice and tight. Same size. 5/8 to match this old thing. But now comes the big one. How big? 20-inch big. That's right. I bought some 20s. Well, I bought some used 20s, okay? So don't be sitting there like, well, he's got money. I ain't got no money. I'm poor. But found these on Facebook Marketplace. They are 20s by 8.5. Yes, they have some curb rash, and one of the rims is slightly bent, and it's going to cost about $100 to fix it. But by the time I'm done, I'm going to be in at $250, and they're not. They're like I like that look, that pattern. They're real nice. This is a clean one. That's a clean one. That one's curb rash, and this one, which I already have bolted on, is curb rash and slightly bent. Let's take a look. If there's enough light, you can see right there, just maybe a 1/4 inch bend down. These are one-piece rims, but they look real nice. Now comes the bad news about these wheels. They are 5 by 4.5. That's right, they are PT Cruiser or Mustang bolt pattern. Sorry, I almost threw up. I had to say a F word there. Ford. Sorry. Oh, I'm gonna puke. We'll just say Chrysler bolt pattern. Yeah, they don't turn my stomach as much, but anyway, I since then ordered some Fleabay wheel adapters, which are pretty nice. I paid $50.80 for them. Oh, that's all four, by the way. Come with the studs. They're pretty thick. They're 1 inch thick, I believe, maybe 1.25 inches, which is what actually I needed to push my rims out that far to be the right offset. And how I found out that offset really is a way that everybody's going to be like, oh my god, no, he's going to die. So while I had the old 15s on, they're still clean. Don't be mad, they're still clean. I put them, okay, let me explain this. I had these on before I had the spacers. I just knocked my lugs out, not my lugs, my studs, put the rim on the hub all the way flat, and then I marked it on the piece of metal under here. Pulled them off, put them back on, and then measured from them to the rim, minusing the tire bulge, and it gave me like 1.25 inches. It's about 1.25 inches, I'm gonna say. So I bought some 1 inch, and the reason I bought 1 inch is because when I put on the Camaro rotors, man, what's wrong with this camera? When I put on the Camaro rotors, it's going to push it out another 1/4 inch. So, 1.25. But this one's on, it's not tightened all the way. I didn't tighten it on purpose because, I'm still working on the hubs and everything. But it's on there. It looks nice. They're going to be sweet. Except for that bend. Click. But there's a local, or not a local place, actually it's about 70 miles away. They will fix the rim for about $100 to $150. I know, it's expensive. I literally thought about bolting this onto a piece of steel and just using a jack and jacking up, right here, like my own homemade rim bender, but I didn't. I didn't want to. I was afraid it was going to mess them up even more. Let the pros do it. This is one time where you're going to see me send it off to the pros. Well, not send it, take it to the pros. I might film that, see if they'll give me a discount. Hey, I'm going to put you on YouTube. But that's the big development right there, the really big development. And I don't know what we're going to do with these yet. Might talk somebody into selling them. Don't know. They're 15s, hard to come by. But that's the update. And I just wanted to give you the update. The 5.3 is still in the car. At this point, I'm still waiting on the valve springs over on the heads. The heads are done. You're going to see that coming up. Actually, you'll probably see that before you see this. So, well, anyway. Cams in. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'm just a poor guy trying to build a dream. So subscribe, like, share. I'm gonna try to get funnier. It's hard to do. I'm a shy guy. But I do like to put abs on. Marker abs. You ever seen marker abs? Look at that. Yeah, ooh, abs. But anyway. See you next time. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Bye.